common driving error, which still does catch people out on driving tests, is to not stop fully at a stop sign. So, what is a stop sign and why is it there? Well, a stop sign, as most people are aware, is the octagon-shaped sign, which is red with stop written on it, along with the road markings of a solid line and the word stop. So the stop sign and the stop junction is usually in a place where there is restricted vision to the right and left on approach to the junction. So it simply wouldn't be safe for somebody to just give way and pull out. At the junction up ahead, we can see there is a stop sign. The vision to the left and right is restricted by the buildings. We've got no view of anything that could be coming up. So as we approach it, we know we must stop the car. So mirrors, no signal needed as we're following the road ahead. The position is fine, and we're going to bring the speed down with the brake. We're going to bring the car to a gentle stop at the line. Handbrake on and into first gear. We're going to make a really good check to the sides to make sure it's safe. If we've still got restricted vision, we're going to creep forward until we've got a better view. If it's safe, we can then drive through. And approaching the same junction, this time from the opposite direction. And again, we can see the stop sign there. So mirrors on the approach, no signal needed as we're following the road ahead. Position, we're going to tuck back in past this parked car and then bring in the car to a gentle stop. Once again, handbrake on and into first gear. We've got a vehicle there waiting to let us through. So we're going to check to the sides, make sure it's safe. Well, the answer is no, it wouldn't be a test fail, providing the car has come to a complete and obvious stop. Popping the handbrake on is good practice. It allows the examiner to see that the car has stopped. It also secures the car just in case it rolls on the junction or was to roll out past the stop line. So it is good practice to use it, but it's not a test fail if the handbrake was not applied at the junction.